Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and cable quality. Use the original USB-C or a verified 3A cable. This matters because low-current cables slow or prevent charging. Once plugged into a wall adapter rated for 5V/3A or a proper USB-C PD source, make sure the connector seats fully, listen and feel for a click or firm fit. If contact is loose, charging won't register. Also visually inspect the port for lint or debris, and remove it gently if present to Once done, check the Solo 4 indicators and device state to confirm charging. You should see an amber or orange LED when charging and green when fully charged. These lights tell you voltage and completion status. Make sure the headphones are awake by briefly pressing the power or status button, because some devices suppress LEDs while asleep. If no LED appears, swap to a different known good charger and cable to determine whether the problem is the accessory or the headphones themselves. To finish, give the Solo 4 at least 10 to 15 minutes on a confirmed good charger. Very low batteries can take a short time before the LED activates. If charging is inconsistent, try a soft reset or check for firmware updates, because software can affect power management. Make sure you document what you tried before reaching support. If there's still no charge after these steps, contact Beats Service or an authorized repair provider, since that indicates a likely hardware fault requiring professional attention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.